Hello, everybody. Okay, I'm sorry with this camera angle. It looks so bad. Hello, everybody. It's me.
Hello?
From American Girl Funhouse. If you're new to my channel, but if you did not enjoy this video, right now I'm here with Laura, Kira, and my Jobo. Switch right now. There's only two in this cage, but then there's two in the next and the other cage, but I didn't bring those ones. But anyway, I've got some stuff here from American Girl. Very happy. The rest of my order did not come, and I don't want to wait because I'm not a waiter. But yeah, I've just got Courtney's second book. Oh my gosh, it's blowy. I got Courtney's second book. And I don't know what this thing is. I think it came with Kira's outfit. But then I also have this Kira thing. But then I also have this Kira outfit that I have Kira right here. And I'm gonna open it and put it on her. So let's open it.
Okay. Here I
Yeah, I've got the box. Here we go. But let's open it. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's so cute, people. This is a people guy. I don't know why I just say people. That's adorable.
That's adorable.
And then we've got the shoes. We don't need that. Okay, now to get onto the outfit. But yeah, that was a little weird. But here we go. These are all the pieces that come in.
The set.
Here we go. So I'm going to show you what came in the set. Okay, so first we've got this little jean. Oh my god. My jobos. Okay. First, I've got the little jean jacket, and it's pink, and it's super cute. It doesn't actually button though.
Kind of sad.
That's fine. I like the shoes. Look at these shoes. This is the bottom. It's pretty like textured. Yeah, it is. It's like a little sandal. It's pink and white.
Yeah, this one looks the same. They're identical.
And then we've got this little shirt. Oh my gosh, it's white, and then it has Australia on it, and it says Australia. It does? Yeah, it does. Does it say Australia?
Yep, it does.
She says yes, it does. Okay, and there's a bunch of like animals, like a kangaroo and a koala, and that's the shirt. And we've got two other parts. We've got the pants.
We've got the pants.
No, these aren't pants. This is a skirt. Here's the skirt. It's pretty. These have a Velcro. I need a Velcro. I ripped the skirt. No, it has a Velcro. Don't squeak, my little girls. The girls. Okay. So here it is. It looks like an apron for me, kind of like a. Okay. So it has a Velcro. That's nice. I can't get it back. Oh no. Okay, so here it is. It's blue and it looks like the sky, basically. And it's super adorable. Look at that. There you go. And then we've also got this purple headband thing. Has a bunch of designs on it, and I'm in love with it. Not for me. That's a glow for my dolls. But here it is. It has a bunch of colors on it. It has the tag, which is really annoying. But now I'm going to put it on Kira. So let's do that. She also looks cute already. Besides more hair. It looks like a rat's nest. But I'm going to brush it up. Look how cute her shirt looks. I'm in
Love.
with it. Okay, so it was really hard to get the headband on. I felt like I was going to rip her head off.
Which would be kind of sad.
Actually, not kind of, really sad. But, yeah, she looks so cute in this outfit. I'm in, oh my gosh, did you just see my face? Whatever, I'll cover it. Okay. She looks so cute in this outfit. I'm so in love with this outfit so much, so I'm going to show you guys. If you guys don't have this outfit, I recommend it from the bottom of my heart. Right now, go, if you don't have this outfit and... Oh no! Oh, don't fall. My mail can go death broke. No! It's okay, it breaks all the time. Okay, well if okay, but yeah! This is, I really recommend this outfit. She looks, she looks so cute in this outfit. I'm in love with it. Her skirt fell down a couple of times, but she's alive. She's living. And her underwear. Okay, well, she looks so cute. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to... and don't forget to slam on that big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye, everybody. Please get us to 200
Subscribers!
Yeah, that's my favorite part. But this headband's also pretty cool. I'm glad you chose this.
Yeah.